I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make calcium carbonate. This common compound is found naturally in things like seashells and limestone. It has many important applications, from construction materials to pharmaceutical products. Understanding its creation helps us appreciate its widespread utility. We will focus on a straightforward chemical precipitation method, which is widely used for its simplicity and effectiveness in producing this valuable substance. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need a soluble calcium salt, typically calcium chloride, which readily dissolves in water. Next, secure a carbonate source. Sodium carbonate is an excellent choice for this purpose. Both of these compounds should be in their pure forms. Finally, ensure you have plenty of distilled water, as it is vital for preparing the solutions and ensuring a clean reaction. Now, let's initiate the reaction. First, dissolve approximately 10 grams of calcium chloride in about 100 milliliters of distilled water. In a separate beaker, dissolve around 11 grams of sodium carbonate in another 100 milliliters of distilled water. Carefully and slowly pour the sodium carbonate solution into the calcium chloride solution. You will observe the immediate formation of a white precipitate, which is your calcium carbonate. After the precipitation, it's time to isolate your product. Use a filtration setup to separate the solid calcium carbonate from the liquid solution. Once collected, wash the solid thoroughly with distilled water. This step is crucial for removing any soluble impurities. Repeat this washing process at least 2 or 3 times to ensure purity. Finally, dry the purified calcium carbonate completely, perhaps in a low-temperature oven, to obtain your final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.